Hi everybody, it's Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and also don't forget to like the video before Pumegion. So you guys, there's a video of Musa Mseleku that is doing the rounds on the internet where he is addressing the issue where people are saying ukuthi uthwele, because I've done a video. But I was asking a question, okay? I wasn't accusing or anything. I was like, is he, because the people are asking the question. So, ukuluma ngokuthi, people are saying ukuthi uthwele, and he thinks that this whole thing is because of apartheid, okay? Colonization, okay? He's trying to use like English enkulu nje ukusiconfuse ababa uthwele noma uthwele yini, okay? Umbuzo umile yebo noma cha, So here's the thing, you guys. I really can't say for sure when this video was made and posted by him. I don't know. I can't confirm that it's a recent video, and I can't confirm that it's an old video. But if it is a recent video, you guys, it's interesting that there are things that have happened here on the internet where we are kind of hoping for his response, where we are kind of hoping for his comment, so that we can know if all of these things that are said about him are true. But he chooses to address this issue instead of the other issue, okay? Did you steal the show from the people? That's what we want to know. Okay? Whether utwele or awutwele, well, naloko siyafuna ukwazi kodwa we know ukuthi you'll never tell us the truth. But we do want to know ukuthi, have you or did you steal the show idea from these two producers who were helping you with this show? That's what we want to know. If there's any video posted by Musa Mseleku, that's what we would like to know as the lovers of the show, as the viewers of the show. But about that situation. That's one interesting thing, you guys, that he chose to address that instead of the thing that we are waiting for. Another interesting thing, you guys, is that he is addressing the issue of Twala right when the story of, or the rumor of him taking the fifth wife is coming out. Okay? Because listen, people are talking on the internet. Some comments I'm watching like this, because listen, you guys, okay? Even with the 4 wives, there had been talks on the internet that Ubaba Mseleku possibly uthwele. You remember the video that was done by Ugogo Skoteni when she was explaining there by Magji Podcast and Chill, what are the signs, is the umuntu uthwele and all of that, if they have multiple wives and one of the wives can't have kids, and it just like fit umndeni kaMseleku, and it looked like maybe she was even talking about umndeni kaMseleku. With the 4 wives, you guys, obviously the other wives have kids, and then Makhubalo doesn't have kids. And we've heard of a lot of stories where amadoda athwele, the wife will struggle to have kids. Some of the men will even have their wives, they will have kids with the wife, and they will take another wife that is just going to struggle to have kids and lose pregnancies. Okay? Sometimes the wife is aware what's happening. Sometimes the wives don't even know what's in daughter it's 12. Now, you guys, obviously with Makhubalo, she took the whole journey of trying to figure out if she had any options in terms of like having a child, when she was told that she couldn't physically carry the child herself, and she was wanting to look at other options like the adoption and all of that. Mseleku didn't want to look at those options, and it was a little bit sus, okay? Why don't you want this woman to try other things, okay? Makhubalo ended up saying she would rather adopt, but I remember not understanding that thing, but I thought, I've never been in that struggle of not having a child, so I don't know how it feels like. But I remember Makhubalo saying she would rather adopt someone else's baby than have someone carry her baby. Like have a stranger carry her baby. But even with that, you guys, Mseleku didn't want to look at those options, okay? So that's why they were suspicious. So why doesn't he want to, try, and because Makumalo really wanted a baby, Yena, he already had children, but Makumalo was struggling. What is it? Okay, that's one of the things that made people to be suspicious. Also, you guys, it's a thing of now him taking the 5th wife. She's very young, you guys. If we had to go by the Roma, she's very young. She's 25. Okay, so this is probably somebody that will still be trying to have some kids. Now we just have to sit on the sideline and just watch them. Okay, is she going to have these kids, or is she going to have that struggle that Uma Kumalo has had, or that struggle that Uma Ngwabe has had? Because remember Ngwabe said one time, Ngwabe said, I've lost more babies than I have had babies. She said, if you had to count the number of babies that I have lost, Mseleku does have 20 kids. She said, I have given Mseleku 20 kids just by the number of pregnancies that I have lost. Okay, that was Umangwabe, but Umangwabe does have the 2 kids. Okay, 3 with Usimpio. So with him adding this 5th wife, who is said to be very, very young, and we have gone ahead and named her the ratings wife. Now people that talk again is coming up to say, is it not because Utwele Mseleku? I think the thing that would make me doubt it, you guys, is that abantu batwele baba rich logo kokuhlanya. Yabo lokho rich kokuhlanya. Yabona mongathi umamkhize the ex Mrs Bisane uthwele, ngingabelieve. Abantu bathe banemali le endless money. Okay, and we've seen Mseleku cut the corners here and there with his money. Yabo, so angazi ke guys, but ke mhlawumbe phela inyoka ayifani. Yabo, mhlawumbe khona inyoka ehlanza imali with a limit, like your bank account has a limit. Maybe khona inyoka nje izihlanza nje, all the way through. We don't know, but it is coming up again. Okay, so for me it's interesting. If the video is new, it is interesting that he is addressing this issue right now when there is a new wife being taken. What's happening? You think we're going to think Utwele? Long time ago. Also, you guys, the thing that made me feel like there are possibilities that this video is new is because he referred to that whole thing of him buying the wives' cars. And I was like, but that is so old. He says that people are seeing him buying his wives all of their cars. Maybe they think Utwele, and I'm like, but that's old news. So that's why I was like, having doubts, it is a recent video. But anyway, you guys, I'll play it for you right here, and you can decide what is the reason that this man is suddenly feeling, the need to address us on the issue of Uktwala. Waiting for season 8. Okay, we're sitting here peacefully, and he decides that he wants to address the issue of Uktwala. Anyway, you guys, come into the comments. Say, do you think Mseleku utwele or agatwele? Okay, or is hardworking? It's just that Tina saqindezelwa i-apartheid yiko singa-understand ukuthi abantu banimali, sacolonizwa kakhulu thina. That's why we don't have money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before uphume kuyona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers ngithanda kakhulu.
Bantu baseningizimu Afrika, nangumbuzo engifuna ukuphendula. Uthi uMseleku ngabe uthwele yini? Nangumseleku sibona ethengela amakhosikazi izimoto ezu4 ebathengela uMercedes. Kwenzakalani Mseleku? Ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi indaba eyempumeleleni idlula ekusebenzeni kanzima, idlula ekwenzeni yonke into. Kodwa imfihlo yokwenza imali ukuthi ungayidli, uyisave, udetermine indlela ufuna ukuphila ngayo. Imali enkulu yenziwa imali encane. Noma ngabe ukhola malini kodwa mawukwazi ukugcina imali uyisave, ungakhohlwa ukuthi uzwenza imali enkulu. Kodwa nayo into engifuna ukisho enkulu kunayo yonke. Angibasoli laba abacabanga kanjalo. Ukucolonizwa, ukucindezelwa, ubandlululo lisanomthelela osazothatha iminyaka empilweni zabantu abamnyama. Ngiyabazwela ngoba manje umuntu omnyama wazi ukuthi umuntu omnyama kufuzile abe nemali, umuntu ofanele abe nemali umlungu kuphela. Ingcindezi uyabona umuntu methi umsele kuthwele uvela ubona ukuthi inkosi yami ubandlululo usaphila kulona, umoya wokucindezelwa, umoya okuhlupheka kanzima ongakwazi ukuthi ungaphuma kanjani, ungazikhipha kanjani kuleso simo. Manje ngimsoli lo muntu osho njalo, ngiyamzwela ngithi ngiyafisa ukuthi is either yena or mangeyena igeneration yakhe nakuyona igeneration uzwakale lo Musa. Lisho njalo iculo lithi nakuthina uzwakele uMusa wakhe. So kusho ukuthi ubandlululo inkulu idamage eliyenzile kuthina sabantu abamnyama. Asikwazi ukubona ukuthi umuntu angakwazi ukusebenza naye asebenze kanzima aphumelele. Into esicabanga ngenxa yobandlululo, angikusoli wena osho njalo ukuthi umsele kuthwele, ngisoli isystem ye-oppression osaphila ngaphansi kwa. Ngiyafisa education ikulekelele nathi sikulekelele ekutheni uphume kwingcindezi yobandlululo. Ngesikhathi usho njalo ngiyabona ukuthi bandla usacindezelekile kakhulu.